Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a 42-inch bar. This is a 063 gauge, 3/8, and will fit your large steels, 084, 090s, 051s, 075s, and it's in great shape. It's got your new roller nose. That's a brand new roller nose. And you look down the rails, these rails are in great shape. That's a new 3/8 chain, 75 CJ skip sequence chisel bit. And it comes with a brand new sprocket, 3/8. This is everything you need to put this on your big steel. If you're running 404, all you have to change is this drive sprocket, which I'm supplying for you. Put that on there and bar chain, and you're ready to cut some big wood.